This is the MS362. This is our newest version, the 362i. This also has the indicator, as we spoke of earlier, for the green, yellow, red, lets you know how much pressure you're putting on the material. It doesn't matter the size of the material, it's all based on the pressure with the saw.
If I can just interject here, this has been an amazing addition to your saws. I know obviously we've been selling these for over 10 years, but this saw by far has been our most popular sales item. And definitely the feedback we're getting, guys absolutely love that feature that's on these saws. And also has a slow start too, so you're not kicking breakers like the original ones were. So I think that's a couple neat real
soft start technology, power management, again, our power head motor, vacuum motor, dust containment. The MS362, again, the portability of it is one of the things that people really love. If you're working on your knees and you're by yourself, you can use it like this, or this is the transport position. You can pick it up, grab it like this, and just move it around easily on the job site.
So this being the most popular saw, what are contractors mostly using a saw like this for?
Hardscapes. You know, the beauty of it is we do have a blade where we can also cut porcelain with it. You have to condition the blade, and it's a segmented blade, which most people think you can't cut porcelain with, but actually you can. But hardscapes is the most prevalent use for it. Have a 5 7/8 inch cut. You can sneak through a 6-inch block with a little manipulation of the saw.
How about how big a piece can you run through here?
Currently with this table, only a 24-inch piece. You can put the extension table on it and it turns into effectively a table saw. Why don't we grab that and throw it on and show it real quick. What we have here is our newest product. It's in development right now. It's an extension table, a rolling extension table that has a 36-inch depth of cut on it. Because what we found is that a lot of pavers and even the porcelain material are much larger now. So this is something we're working on, expect it to be available by the end of fourth quarter this year, first quarter next year. But now we're going to show the extension table that goes on top of whatever table you have currently. Now what you have to do, the extension table was designed for our tile saw. This is opening here. To make the modification, what you do is you're going to have to cut through this table to open it up. This rail you can use for adjustments if you need repetitive cuts and help you stabilize material as you push it through. And we have graduations here on the table. You see how the tabletop is smooth, so you can slide and manipulate materials on it. While we're talking about blades, I want to show you this little chart. It's part of our packaging to help you guys figure out which blade you need. That's a call we get on the daily. You know, what blade do I use for what material? If you'll notice, the PSI of the material is listed down here, and it corresponds with the blade colors. So it just makes it easy for you to choose the right blade. All right, we're going to talk about how to do some quick maintenance and cleanup. At the end of every day, what you want to do is wipe this machine down. The 362, the 1550, and the 244 are all built on the same frame type. So you have rails and rods, and you just need to keep them wiped down and clean. You don't want to use anything that attracts moisture and dust, like a silicone or a WD-40, anything like that. You want to use something that flashes off quick. I recommend a brake cleaner. It'll clean off anything that's on there. Take off any particulates, then take a Scotch-Brite pad, wipe it down, makes it smooth, ready to go and easy to clean. And it also does a good job up here.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
Or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.